Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Jai Education Now. In this video, we will see about short speech on Republic Day. Let's start. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Ayush, and today I am going to deliver a short speech on Republic Day. Every year, we celebrate Republic Day on 26 January with great pride and joy. This is the day when the Constitution of India came into force in 1950, making our nation a republic. The Constitution gives us important rights like freedom, equality, and justice, and also reminds us for our duties. Republic Day also reminds us for the brave freedom fighters who sacrificed their life for our nation. Across the country, flag hosting ceremonies, prides, and cultural programs and organized to celebrate this special day. As the students, it is our responsibility to study well, follow discipline, and become good citizens of India. Let us promise to Constitution to the progress and unity of our country. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.